everyone! Welcome back to Bright Skin Diaries. Today we're talking about one of my favorite skincare ingredients, hyaluronic acid. This naturally occurring humectant is a game changer for anyone looking to lock in moisture and achieve plump, smooth skin. Let's dive in and explore the benefits of hyaluronic acid. So, what is hyaluronic acid? Simply put, it's a naturally occurring humectant that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This means it's incredibly effective at retaining moisture in the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. Now let's talk about the benefits of hyaluronic acid. By locking in moisture, it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, plump and firm the skin, improve skin elasticity and flexibility, and soothe and calm dry, irritated skin. So how can you incorporate hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine? You can find it in a variety of products, such as serums, moisturizers, and masks. Look for products that contain at least 1% hyaluronic acid for optimal benefits. Some of my favorite products containing hyaluronic acid include Product 1, a hydrating serum that provides long-lasting moisture. Product 2, a rich moisturizer that helps to plump and firm the skin. And Product 3, a soothing mask that calms and hydrates dry, irritated skin. That's it for today's review of hyaluronic acid. I hope you learned something new and helpful. Remember to always test new skincare products and start with a small amount to ensure you don't have any sensitivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare content.